Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to share your window or a specific screen in Microsoft Teams on your Windows 11 computer. So just go up to join and join your call, whatever it may be. And at the top right, you're going to notice there's an option now to share right next to leave. So once I'm connected here, it's going to be presented to me up top. So I got leave. The hotkey is Control plus Shift plus E. So let's go to share right next to microphone and leave. And then we have the different options. Now, if we're going to be like playing a YouTube video or something like that, make sure we have include sound so we can actually hear that. And then we can do a background. So if we're sharing this screen with someone, it's not just a gray screen for them. And then we can go back. And if we go to screen, this is going to be my different monitors. So I got monitor 1 and 2. And neither of them have YouTube up right now. So if I wanted to go to just YouTube specifically, we can go to window right here, and then we can go down. So if I got YouTube opened up in like Google Chrome or something like that, it should be able to play through just here. So here's Google right here. I can just open up Google Chrome and then play through there, and it'll display on the screen. So this is a good way to show off Google without showing off your desktop. So you can have something on your screen right here, and you don't want people to see it. If you just go to window, you can just hide that from them and only show what you want them to see. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.